Hello, I'm Vlado, and in this video we will talk about 5 things you need to focus on when you start a new software development job. Have you ever wondered how to grow faster as a software developer? Have you thought about why you are not completely valued, best paid, or your opinion is not taken seriously? Have you dreamed about shine positions and good money? My name is Vladimir Georgiev, and I will attain that for you. In the beginning of my career, I was highly impatient. I remember one of my starts when my team lead was onboarding me. He gave me the documentation, showed me the code, explained the products to me, and I was like, what are these sheets, man? Give me the code. I just wanted to start coding on some tasks. I've seen this mindset in a lot of junior developers, and this is completely normal. Just in a second, we will walk through the 5 things you need to do in order to boost your productivity and impress everybody around you. So let's start. On the first place, I put getting to know the team. Why on the first place? I know for some of you this is an obvious thing, but we programmers are sometimes strange. We have a strong connection with the computer, but the computer doesn't have feelings like people. Think about it. We will spend most of your time with these people, and if you don't like each other and if you don't have fun, it will be really hard for you to achieve your goals. You can read one of my favorite books by Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends and Influence People. There are a lot of great stories and tips about how to be kind, how to understand others, and how to generally improve your social intelligence. It's all about mindset. These are your potential friends. Try to find something personal about each one of your team. For example, what they like, what sport they like to play or watch, what they do in their free time. It's time for you to listen and remember. It's time for you to be interested in others. Don't try to be interesting. On the next day, when you talk with them, talk about their interests and listen actively. Ask interesting questions. They will love you for that. Everybody loves to talk about themselves. The second thing you have to do is to understand the product. Some companies have just one product, others have more. In most cases, you will work only on one product. Try to get familiar with it. Try to use it like a client. If you have learning system like Coursera, for example, you can enroll for a course, submit your homework or watch lectures. If there are several types of users or roles, play with them. Just discover all functionalities with all types of users. If you don't get the purpose of the system, you can ask someone in your team to help you. Usually the people that are most familiar with the system are product owner, QAs or the team leader. This thing will help you understand how the system works and how the components are connected from client perspective. After that, when you write new functionality, it will be easier for you. You minimize the chance of breaking something. Overall, it will be a lot easier for you to orientate in the code and to give good product ideas. I know you're probably impatient to start writing code, but these things will help you with the code. Maybe you'll be most familiar with the third thing, which is more technical. Ask your team lead to explain you the architecture. Try to understand it, draw a diagram by yourself, and keep it somewhere you can see it. Then discover all modules piece by piece and how they're connected. Like that, you can feel the whole picture in your brain and master the code. My second suggestion here is to configure your environments. Make it easy for you to develop and debug. After that, you can debug all modules from the system and see how they are connected with the product functionalities. You won't believe how much this will help you with fixing bugs and solving new problems. Let's move on. There is one dirty word in software development which makes every developer to roll their eyes and every manager to justify themselves with. This word is process. Actually, the development process is the thing that makes all teams work together. Unfortunately, in some cases, when the process is not very well defined, it causes confusions. My suggestion here is to understand what the process is and to commit to it. Great team consists of people who commit, not necessarily like or sympathize with the process. Just find out what are the established rules and follow them. Later on, you can suggest some changes if you see that something is not working, but first make a habit to follow the process. Last but not least is to make one-on-one meeting with your manager. The most important thing you need to ask is what is expected from you. You need to be above and beyond, and it is not hard to achieve it. You just need a plan and to execute it. In order to make this plan, you have to ask your manager, what do you expect from me? In different products and companies, there are different values. As a developer, you need to understand what these values are. Ask your manager what is important for the product: quality, stability, performance, security, or fast delivery. Order them by importance and just follow the top ones. In some companies, all of these things are part of the onboarding process. In others, there isn't a good onboarding, especially in the small ones. All of these things can make a difference only when you execute them. If you don't execute them, your time will be wasted. And to summarize, know your team, make them your friends, everybody is unique and interesting, and you can learn something from them. Know the products, they will indirectly boost your code familiarity. Source code is something that you know how to deal with. Just configure everything and understand the whole architecture. The development process is the thing that makes the whole machine called business working. Just follow the rules. Your manager can tell you whether you're on the right path and what is expected from you. I'm really grateful to you for watching this video till the end. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell symbol if you want to see more videos like this.